So I've got some freebie parts that I'm trying to kind of incorporate into the table, and one, I've got a set of these old Schwinn Airdyne arms that I've had just laying around for probably 15 or 20 years that I was going to use for some kind of random metal, and so kind of get two things out of the way and get these things finally off this big shelf and use them for the cart here. So it's going to cut this part here and then butt weld two of those together, maybe angle it up for kind of a handle, kind of a bumper in the front, but then also, so I was going to use some sections of the center, just kind of some 45s, and use that as a bottle hold down device. And initially I was going to do something with the, use these end pieces that are just pinned in there, and actually cut the other one off. And I was going to use this, just put a pin through there on my little tie down hooks, do something like that. But the thing is, these are, if I were to do it off at an angle there, the strap has to twist, so I kind of just decided not to do that. And I've got another idea that I'm going to do that should be pretty cool. I don't know, it's kind of, almost feel like this thing is starting to get a little over engineered, but should be interesting if nothing else by the time it's finished. But yeah, I guess it's going to go ahead and start cutting up some of this metal and maybe see if we can get some of it positioned to weld up in this third part of the video. So I got all the pieces cut out for the bottle hold downs, and basically just it's going to sit in there, and then the little drop out looking piece will sit somewhere in there. Kind of looks like a old school red line fork. Take it in a little further, like a Botima fork maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so I've got it. That's the shape of my bottle. If I go with a bigger bottle even, it still will work fine, goes flush with the end of the little stand there. So yeah, just got to get these kind of smoothed out a little bit, clean the paint off, drill some holes, and I'll get these. This is going to be the actual top one, so there'll be one here and then a cross brace, top, and then maybe up about 6 inches. So, but yeah, that's looks like everything should reach with the little strap. It's pretty close to being cinched in, but I've got enough room to get around there. So yeah, this is going to conclude the part 3, and part 4 will be coming up very soon. Thanks for watching.